Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. So it's good to be back. I was on vacation for the last month, so that's why I wasn't really making a lot of videos. So the problem we are going to be discussing in this video is how to fix the mic issue on the S10. So smartphone I got in front of me is the S10e, the smallest of the S10 family. And the problem which I'm really facing is when I'm really talking to someone, the person on the other hand is complaining that they are hearing their own voice kind of like echo. And the second thing is sometimes people are really complaining that your volume is too low. So it is a problem with the software on my smartphone, and if it is the same case for you guys, then it's a very easy solution to fix this problem. The first thing I would really recommend you to do is just give your smartphone a good old restart, because sometimes apps could be running in background which could really cause this problem. And just to really give your smartphone a restart and start fresh. And the second solution which worked for me is just clearing out the Bixby data or the cache data of Bixby. So Bixby is the voice assistant for Samsung, and because it's using the mic in the background, sometimes it could really interfere with calls and stuff, because of which you could be having this problem. So you need to be in settings. After that you need to find apps. I really like that One UI is very simple and easy to navigate. And then you are going to find Bixby voice. We are looking for Bixby voice, which is right here. You need to click on it. Then you need to find an option for storage, and you need to clear all of the cache data. Another thing I would recommend you is, if you're using voice assistant, just to clear the voice assistant cache data also, because it's also using the mic in the background, which could also interfere sometimes. And another thing I would recommend, or the third solution which you can really try, is to make sure the mic of your smartphone is clear. As you guys know, the S10 has a mic on the bottom and on the top. The bottom one is the main mic, the up top one is for the noise cancelling. Just make sure it's nice and clean. There's nothing like blocking it, like tissue or something like that. And the cover which you are using doesn't cover the mic, because of that reason it could also cause this issue. So if this video was helpful for you guys, then make sure to like this video, and if you're new, consider subscribing, become a part of this channel. And if you have any suggestions, make sure to comment down below. So with that being said, thanks for watching and goodbye.